Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is how to make leavened dough. Let's get started.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Three-quarters of a cup warm water. Now we're going to stir in 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of dry instant yeast. Mix well. Let it sit for about 15 minutes until foams and bubbles come up. It's been 15 minutes. Bubbles and foams have come up. The yeast is activated and ready to be used. 2 cups all-purpose flour. We are going to mix in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon baking powder, mix well. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Again, mix well. Now we are going to gradually add in our yeast. Do not put in all at once. We're going to do this repeatedly until there's no dry flour is left. Now there's no longer flour left. We're going to knead dough with hand until the dough becomes one piece with some shape and becomes not very sticky. If the dough too sticky, feel free to add a little bit of flour to help. We have finished kneading the dough. The dough has become one piece with some shape and it's no longer very sticky. We are going to use a wet paper towel to cover it up. You can use wet kitchen towel and to keep the moisture in, to let it covered and let it dough rest for about 2 hours until the dough is double or even triple in size. The time depends on the room temperature. If it's warm, then it's probably an hour and a half. If it's kind of on the cool side, it may be 2.5 hours. Just watch until it's double in size or triple in size. It's been about 2 hours. The dough is doubled in size. We're going to knead the dough until the dough is smooth, and then divided the dough into 8 equal individual dough pieces. Each piece is about 2 ounces.
Let's have a quick review of what we've done.